All right, so I'm Cindi Baker. I'm the academically gifted teacher at Salem Middle School. We are going to see today a group of students who have volunteered to be part of my Math Madness math competition. This is an online competition. The software allows schools to join in on a 64-team bracket, and each week we come in and we compete. It's 7 to 8 very challenging problems. The students have 30 minutes to compete. The software keeps track of what their personal best is, so each week they can come in and compete against their personal best, and then we take the average of the top 5, and that becomes our school's score, and that is what determines a winner.
I'm pretty good at math, so just a lot of these problems, they kind of come easily to me.
Math isn't my strong suit, and I was like, this would be a great learning opportunity. Maybe I'd learn something new and have an edge in high school.
I'm doing this because I personally find math to be interesting. It's fun to push my boundaries, especially in this subject. Other subjects I'm not as comfortable, but with this it's very fun, it's very challenging, and it's helping me become familiar with stuff that I will learn in the future.
Each problem, the word problems, involve critical thinking, and they have no other resources but their own logic and their calculator. That's the only resource that they have to answer these word problems.
I guess I just like the logic and how everything just fits together, and it's some problems are more easier than others. Others not so much.
One was it was mowing this lawn, and you had 2 options. You could do it rows or columns, and because it was not a square, it would be different. It was like 54 feet by 42 feet, and you had to divide it into those rows and columns depending on how big the lawnmower was.
Another thing we talk about these days is student agency and learner agency. And right now, this is another opportunity for students to make choices.
So I think this is sort of just like a fun competition where you can learn and test your math skills at the same time.
It's pretty cool. Like, the competition just makes everything so much like it's like faster, and you just have to try to do everything you can to try to get the questions right. So I like competing.
Everyone doing it deserves credit. If you're doing it, even if you don't score anything, you still deserve the credit because you're trying, you're putting your best effort, and you're always helping your team.
Show what you know is our school motto this year, and we're really excited with another way that this math competition allows our students to show what they know not only here in the school but also throughout the country.